All right, everyone. Everything's looking good. Yep. We are live. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. My name is Adum. Today is Friday. Super pumped about today's live stream. We are going to be integrating into Rewardful, which I guess is affiliate management software. So we're going to give that a try as we move toward our path to creating our company, which is going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. Man, oh man. Just even thinking about it, saying that, it's like, oh, it's going to be awesome. Can't wait. Anyway, so we're going to get started here. How you doing today? Hopefully you're having a great day. It is Friday. And of course, for us here, it's Pizza Friday. So we always have pizza and for supper, watch a little bit of Star Trek, and just get ready to enjoy the weekend. So before we do that, of course, we got to get into implementing this. Now, I haven't done basically hardly any research on this. I haven't even logged in or started this. So we're just going to try to see how this goes, and hopefully we can get it done within it says up and running in just a few minutes. So let's if we don't get it up and running in a few minutes, then there's a problem here. We won't say with who. Kevin, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Happy Friday. Good to see you. Rolando as well. Good to see you. I'm assuming that maybe the ja was supposed to be ha ha ha, maybe. I don't know. But yes, I guess am I a nerd? Yeah, I guess I am. Listen, I'll never apologize for watching Star Trek. Of course, just like Star Trek and just like Star Wars, the old stuff, the good stuff, not this new age garbage that they're pumping out. We won't even talk about Star Wars and what the hell's going on with that franchise. Oh my goodness, that's for other channels to talk about that. Okay, yeah. So I was thinking about that too. Yeah. So Jada is the Spanish language version of haha. Okay, good to know. Thanks, Kev. Right. Okay. So let's do this. How should we start? I guess we should click by hitting start. Okay. So these guys are talking Star Wars too. They're Star Wars fans too. That's funny. Okay. Right. So let's put that in there. Company name is Pixel. Pixel password, and hang on, I always flash that. So actually I'm gonna just refresh this, and I'm just gonna hide this just for a second, just so I don't flash the password. At pixel.ca. Password, yeah, that's different. And just going to save that password manager. Looks good. I am not a robot. Select all squares with motorcycles. These ones are always weird. I'm never sure exactly. Like, do I select this little tire piece here at the bottom? I think I heard too from those captcha things where it's not even so much of selecting the right squares, but it's just, please enter a URL. Probably wants this along with it, I would imagine. What was I saying? Yeah, they don't so much look at what squares you pick, but how your mouse moves, because it moves differently than what like a bot would do, which is pretty interesting. One last step, check my email. Okay, let's fire up the email. Confirm your email address. I can do that. Okay. Cool. So I think transaction fees. I love that they don't have any transaction fees. That is amazing. They just charge whatever they charge per month. Best for new companies just starting out. Yeah, we're going to go there. We should have a quick look. Support link A/B testing, affiliate segments. For discount referral customers using Stripe coupons. Use your own logos and colors. Yeah. That's kind of, you're paying money and then you can't even remove the branding. That's always kind of crappy, but I'm not going to worry about that. And I mean, I guess we'd want to pay yearly if we can. Well, let's stick with monthly, because maybe we'll put it on a little bit of a trial here for a few months and we'll see kind of how it goes. Just so we don't commit to a couple months. I know we'd save a little money in the long run, but we'll see how things go throughout the summer, and then see if it's worth continuing. So yeah, let's choose plan. And okay, what happened? Something's happening. You need to log in or sign up before continuing. Okay, that's weird. Okay, just kind of like sign me out. Weird. Okay. Time zone. Time zone. I'm Atlantic time. There we go. Email me when an affiliate signs up, and sure, we'll do that for now, I guess. Do we need to do this? I don't think we need to do that. Current password. I'm probably going to have to confirm my changes. All right, save changes. Good. Stop that. I don't want that. Account has been updated. So let's go back home. Choose a plan. I did try to choose a plan. You didn't let me. Okay, so... Right. Okay, I got to hide this again. Where? Oh, shoot. My wallet's not here. Hang on a second. Dun, dun, dun. This might be bad. Can you do me a favor? Can you just grab me my wallet? It's under the bedside table. Okay, thanks. All right, get in the wallet here. Gonna fill out the credit card information from what I remember. Expiry month. I think it's this one. Yeah, calling in the big guns. Yeah. I guess it's kind of lazy. I could just get up and walk down the hall, but I just gotta stay here with you guys. Thank you. All right. Okay. 1 second, I'll get through this and then we'll share my screen again. Okay. Processing. Okay. Subscription is active. Are they using, what is this, intercom? Yes, it is. What was the message? Some new features to check out. Over your dashboard. Okay. Anyways, just some intro stuff. So let's see. Okay. Let's track your. Oh, I guess we gotta connect, right? So let's see. Okay, stop. Okay, so let's connect here. I don't think it's going to display any information. Right, these are my Stripe accounts. Let's connect with Pixel, which makes sense. Choose a currency that's summary. Okay, everything's in the US, so let's do that. Can generate CSV file, do commissions, PayPal. Learn more. Ooh, Wise. Oh, that's kind of cool. I hate PayPal, but it's kind of... Affiliates will be required to provide either their PayPal or Wise email address at sign up unless you choose other. Whatever. I guess I'll just save it as PayPal for now. That's weird. You can't pay out through Stripe. That's weird. Anyways, we'll see how that works. Okay. Create your first campaign. Campaigns let you create different commission tiers. You can create as many as you like, but affiliates can belong to only a single campaign. Okay. Let's just go. What should we call it? Should we call it anything? Oh, you know what? I actually got the wrong URL. Shit. Can I go back and change that? I signed up with the wrong, yeah, the website. It's Pixel Pieces. There's my API key. Is that the secret? Show that. Okay. I don't think that one's the secret key. So save changes. Okay. Sorry, this feature isn't available until it's okay. So right, pixelpieces.com. Okay, perfect. So is this? Can I zoom? I'll zoom in a little bit here. Maybe if I could move off to the side here, maybe that'll be a little bit better. Okay. So, Pixel affiliate? I don't even know what to call it. Just Pixel Pieces, like the basic program. Right. Reward type, fixed amount, or let's just say percent. Let's just go 50%, right? Maximum commissions per customer. How many commissions can an affiliate earn on a single referral? I mean, one? Oh, wait, no. How many commissions can an affiliate earn on a single referral? I guess it's one. But then that's going to be the thing, because there's never going to be, well, I can't say never, but there should not be an instance where a person can pay twice, because they pay once and then that's it. So it should just be one. Maximum commission period. For how many months can an affiliate earn commission on a single? Okay. Right. So that's if it's a year. But again, it's the same thing as going to be. We're just going to leave it blank, I guess. Commissions will be pending for at least this many days before they are considered payable. We recommend setting this value to 30 days. What is our refund policy on Pixel Pieces? I think it's... I think I should know this. But let's see. I don't even have anything for refunds. I should probably put that in here. What happens if you go to business? Do we charge a one-time fee? What if I'm not happy with my purchase? Okay, we're saying a full refund within 7 days. Yeah, okay. So if it's a refund within 7 days, so we need to make that at least 7 days. So I think 30 days, I think, is good. So we'll leave it at that. Okay, so payouts. Maximum payout threshold. Affiliates payouts will not be marked as due until the total amount owed meets or exceeds this amount. All right. Well, I mean, I would imagine, let's say it's $100. Referral cookies. Must convert within this many days after visiting your website. I almost feel as if just leaving it to the standard. I guess we'll leave it at the standard 60 days. Maybe should it be longer? Affiliate portal. Change this message shown to new and existing affiliates, right? These are people that join the program, right? Join friends of Pixel and receive a commission from paying customers. You refer to Pixel pieces. I'm just going to leave this blank for now, and I'm sure I could update it once I actually see how things look. Custom rewards. Yeah, we'll leave it blank. We'll use the description based on what we set, which is kind of good. Upgrade to growth to unlock. Oh, I can't even unlock it anyways, even if I wanted to. And I think these are things that we can't even access. Affiliate attribution. Yeah. Campaign privacy. Allow affiliates to see sale descriptions. Yeah, why not? They can kind of see. I think I like the question mark. It's kind of fine. Okay, so let's create this campaign. Add Rewardful to your website. The final step is add trackers, and I guess we're using member stack. This is actually interesting. Because member stack, well, let's see. I think member stack will then automatically do everything necessary in the background to pull through the reward metadata into Stripe. All right, well, let's copy that. And let's go to Pixel. No. Pixel pieces. No, not the designer. Go back. Settings. Custom code. What is all this? Oh, that's Mixpanel stuff. Let's put it right here. Right before Fathom. Okay. So let's save that. And let's unpublish from our staging, please, and publish here. And just to see, we should be able to see it somewhere. We got member stack, and we got rewardful stuff there. Okay. So, okay, we did that. Okay, I've completed this. All that's left is to confirm. All right. It says it's going to trigger a button. Oh, let's just see. So this will trigger a tracking request. If the tracker succeeds, refreshing this page will show you confirmation. Okay, so I should refresh this page. Okay. Click the button below, then refresh this page. Okay, not working. So we got the member stack, and then we got the rewardful. So it's there. I wonder. I'm really wondering now if this is a browser issue with Brave, because what it's blocking some stuff here. Let's do that. And let's refresh this. And this is this blocking it too? I'm going to put this down. I'm going to refresh this. And then, oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So it was a Brave thing, of course. So now that your campaign is set up, it's time to recruit affiliates. What does it say? View sign up form. So that's it here. Cool. So that's, I mean, I guess if we just copy this, so now we can put this in our, like down here, right, for affiliates into our footer. So we can do that. Let's do that right now. Where are we? Let's go to the designer. And we go down here. Let's duplicate this. I don't like what it just did there. Affiliate or affiliates? Affiliate, yeah. We actually need to, well, we actually need to create a page for this, right? So we can't just, right, I can't just have a willy-nilly page. So let's duplicate, let's look at, geez, I don't know what page we should duplicate. Oh, no, not this page. Maybe let's duplicate this page. It's kind of like a blank page. And we're going to call this affiliate. And we're just going to say earn 100. What's half? What's half of 249? Earn 124.50. Is that right? I think so. 249 divided by 2, 124.50. In commission, oh, we'll say USD. For each referral you invite to Pixel Pieces. I say 50% affiliate commission. Pixel Pieces. Okay, parent folder is going to be none. This one, I don't think we want to send them back to the dashboard. I want them to be able to see this page. So we'll get rid of that. So we don't need this either. Okay. So let's create this page. So we're going to go earn 50% commission on each referral you make. I don't know, we'll have to. like to see how other people kind of write these to maybe make it pop a little bit more. Ooh, yeah, I love this. Yeah, this is so much nice. I totally forgot about how their components you can add and remove things. It's almost like Figma-esque in terms of how they're building the components, which is really, really cool. I imagine the integrations between Figma and Webflow are just going to get better and better. Anyways, earn 50% commission on each referral you make. Our affiliate program, I'll say, with our affiliate program, you can earn $124.50. Maybe can I just make it 125? No. We'll just do it like this for now. With every person you for blah blah blah. With our affiliate program, you can earn 120 with every person you you can earn $120 every time. Say for each person that you recommend like joins. Oh my god, that's horrible text. Horrible copy. I gotta fix that. So start earning today. And then this button, how do I update its link? I hope this is good. Yeah, this definitely needs to be a new link, right? Create. Yeah, so this is just the button link. Just the button link, I guess. And this one has to go to here. Oops, I don't have it. Let's get it back here. Copy and paste. New tab. New tab or this tab? Let's keep it in the same tab. And we can definitely delete that custom attribute. Don't need that. Okay, perfect. Let me just go back to another page here because this was templates. Oh, this one doesn't have a button. That's probably on the home page. Oh my goodness. Okay, so where do we go? Pixel Pieces affiliate. Default campaign. Oh, let's copy this. So something happened. It didn't send me home. Okay. That's not a component. No component there. Not going to be any component there. Maybe there's one here. Yeah, this one is. So if I want the button link. Right, so this one, damn it. It updated the link here. Oh, which is annoying. That's not what it's supposed to be. Oh, shit. I know why. It's because I edited the component, not the property. Shit. So now I can't remember what the button was. So this one is get lifetime access. So that's going to be the same as this button. No, that's also different. I think let's go here. Let's go to templates. Oh, this doesn't even show the button. Maybe we just need to, we just need to get the code for the member stack code for like buy now. I think maybe it's in the pricing. I think it'll probably be like this. Yeah, so we need this. So let's copy this attribute here. And we're gonna have to go over this multiple times. So where are we going? We're going to components, right? So here, this button link, it's to a page and it's all access. Oh shit, but then I can't put a property on this. Oh, this is annoying. What am I going to do about this? Shit. Where is this brochure intro used? Shit, I got to clean out all this stuff. 5 instances of it. Oops, I don't want to put it in here again. Oh, I can create a connection. It's just the default text though, but not the name. Pixel value. That's just for that. I can't get anything for the name. So that's not good either. So I can only do half the custom. But even then, I want to be able to just show it or not. Yeah, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. Okay. Slightly new plan. We're going to go back. Pricing. We're just going to put this button back to how it was. Data MS price. Components. No, not a new one. We want to edit this one. And we're going to disconnect that. And again, we're just going to put it back to all access. Okay. So that fixes that, puts it back to how it was. We go to templates. There's nothing there, which is fine. Forever free. We want to go back to affiliate. So here what we're going to do is we're going to hide that button. Maybe what we can do is we can just create another button. Yeah, let's do that. If we create another button, oops. And this one is going to go to here. I'm going to call this start earning today. Yep. That's what we want. And it's going to be a button, or pixel button. Right. And let's go back to settings, and we want to have a visibility, and let's just say show affiliate button. Create. Okay, so if we go in this one, the affiliate button is visible, but the call to action is not. Perfect. So let's just go here. That's going to be hidden. We don't want to see that here. We go on the template page. That's also hidden. And wherever else it might appear. And I don't actually know where it is. So we're going to have to just go through all these different pages. Like it's not going to be on this page. Members only. That is... You need to be a member to access this content. Oh, this should actually take you to all access. Be a lifetime member. Pricing. That's hidden. Do we not have anything in... Yeah, we don't have any buttons at all on pricing page. Okay. And templates, I don't know, that's the actual templates page. This is the components page. Dashboard, yeah. And all this learn, help, about, nothing there. And then home page. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. Now, back to affiliates. Yeah, earn 50% commission. You can earn... Not you can earn, you will earn. For each person that you recommend. Each person that you... What is the right terminology? With our affiliate program, you will earn... Who has a good affiliate program? WordPress Engine, I think, has an affiliate program, don't they? Let's just see what they say. Affiliate. Agency partner program? No. Webflow, yeah. Yeah, Webflow, yeah, of course they do. I mean, I'm part of it, actually. So I should know that. But maybe I don't want... Yeah, Amazon is the master. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm just trying to think of, just to look at what their, like the verbiage is and kind of how they describe their program. I'll go to Webflow here in a second, just because I know I'm part of it. What the affiliate? Referrals. Okay, referrals. Referral. That's probably kind of the word I'm looking for. With our affiliate program, you want to refer each person that you refer. But not just refer, but they have to refer to our all access file. Refer to the Pixel Pieces all access plan. Webflow affiliate program. Earn 50% back for 12 months. Yeah, maybe this is more like in plain English. They use your sign up link to sign up and purchase. Yeah, with our affiliate program, you will earn. Maybe we can do that in the text below. Okay. So I would love to see what this looks like when you actually sign in and what it looks like. So referral sales. I guess this will all kind of come out when I actually have anybody to pay out and all that stuff. Okay. Visitors, leads, conversions, sales, commissions. Okay, so what do they say who it's for? Do we even need to say anything big? I don't think we need to say anything too big, but almost like help us grow and you grow at the same time. Maybe we could say looking to earn extra income from your audience. And we can say, what can we say? Well, we can put in here what you get, I guess. 50% commission on every like sale. 60-day cookies or tracking. Is that the right terminology, or what does it say? I think it says here. Yeah, 60-day cookie. Okay. And what's the last thing? What can we say here in terms of our affiliate program? I mean, we can't say much right now. You get 50% on every sale. You have a 60-day cookie. And then and then we'll say monthly payouts, which I think makes sense because that's what we have. We have a 30-day window, right? For every person that uses, what's it, like your sign up link? Uses your link to sign up. Yeah. Uses your link to join and purchases all access, you will receive 50% of that sale. Okay, and we can delete all of these. And definitely probably delete that call to action part here, which we don't need. What can we say about 60-day cookies? I thought there was. Let's look at our help articles. Getting started. Campaigns, referral, tips and tricks. Frequently asked questions. The cookie windows, but how many are eligible for conversion? Yeah, we could have different campaigns as well. Yeah, because actually Webflow right now, they have a campaign where everyone, like for every person that signs up, you get 75% commission for whatever they buy, which is a huge, huge commission. But I guess that's what they do. They have other different campaigns that you can launch. Oh, actually, no, it says this one, people who sign up with your affiliate link right now will just automatically get it. I guess they just track somehow internally when people sign up and when they pay. So how do we say this about cookie retention? Applicable for new Webflow customers only. Yeah. You'll earn 50% of their payments. Where are we? Each referral is eligible for commission within 60 days of clicking your links. Yeah, that's clunky. We pay out commissions every month. Every month after a 30-day waiting period. I think we can just be kind of straightforward with that. I feel like this could be reworded a little bit too verbose here. For every person that uses your link to join and purchases all access, you receive 50% of that sale. Yeah, that's very clunky. So maybe receive 50% of every sale that comes from people signing up and purchasing all access from your link. From your link. That's not too bad, I don't think. You think that's okay, guys? See, 50% of every sale that comes from people signing up and purchasing from people. It's weird. When a new customer, yeah. Receive. Yeah. Okay. So section testimonials, call to action. Oh, that's another thing. We need to focus on getting some testimonials as well. Section template list. Delete that. And I think we should just have maybe just one last, just a button here. Get started now. Yeah, it's funny. This is still using client first framework. So it's a little bit confusing. I'm like, why are there so many divs here? Button. Join our affiliate program today. And we're going to go here and going to go here. Yeah. Kevin, what about earn extra income from your audience? Ooh. Yeah, I like that. So, but not with a question mark though. I think your question mark is like, you're telling me if that's good, or asking. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, more concise, more affirmative for sure. What could be, now we need just like a little subtitle, or do we? I guess we don't really need to, but let's take a look. I kind of like, who it's for. Well, we definitely don't have an established audience of 10K or more, so, but they let us into the program, so that's kind of nice. Bloggers and writers, educators. If I go in, can I go into, even give you guys, just show you guys what it looks like when you're in with their program. So yeah, I don't want to show people who's clicked, but so this is kind of cool. So this is the affiliate program for Webflow, which is kind of cool. So, I mean, I guess it just shows how many people have clicked on your link and then how many people actually signed up. And then from what I know so far, I haven't gotten paid out yet at all, but this is like who has paid whatever while you referred. And then I'm assuming then this will convert at some point into a pending commission and paid out. But although this was purchased like back in May, so I don't know. It's been over 30 days. So I'm not exactly sure how things work, but it looks pretty cool. Yeah, the trend is micro-influencers, people with less than 1,000 followers get more engagement with their audience. Yeah, I mean, I don't doubt that for sure, because it's almost like that rule of like 1,000 true fans, right? Like if you have 1,000 true fans, people are saying like you'll have not have made it, but that's kind of all you need to have a sustainable business long term, because there'll always be the ones that are supporting you and promoting you and just being like, yeah, just true fans, just like, the Apple fanboys, right? I'll just buy everything that Apple produces or whatever, right? So or true Star Wars fans, I'll just consume everything that Star Wars does, no matter how bad it is or whatever, right? So yeah, I can definitely see that. It's not necessarily just a straight numbers game. It's like how many people are actually engaged with that brand. Yeah. Build sites for clients, become an expert. Yeah, I thought about going through this whole process of Webflow, but I don't know. Maybe at some point. Okay. Earn extra income from your audience. I feel like flywheel. So maybe can we talk about, so these guys are talking about kind of what they do. Say friends of Fly, lucrative commissions up to 500 per referral. Yeah. Say we're number one. So that's, yeah. I think am I actually an affiliate of Flywheel right now? I feel that I am. Yeah, I am. I haven't checked this in a while. Let's see what's going on here. I don't have any sites, but is there? Referrals. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, there's nothing here. But this is your stats here, which is kind of cool. Brand resources. Yeah, they have some cool resources here to give to affiliates, which is awesome. But I don't think we can do that here with what we have. We should test this and kind of sign up and see what it actually looks like as a user. Maybe Pixel, our goal is to I don't know what to say here. I mean, I guess I don't have to say anything. It's pretty self-explanatory. Earn extra income from your audience. I could almost say like there's no limit to how much you can earn with us. Earn $124 for each. No. Wasn't thinking I was gonna have to write content today. Earn 120. No, something. There's another one that has, I think it's Kinsta. They're another WordPress hosting. What do they look like for their, oh my goodness, their site has changed since I've seen it last. affiliate program. Earn money by referring world-class hosting as a Kinsta affiliate. Lifetime monthly commissions. That's awesome. Lifetime? Woo! 1 million commissions paid out each year. That is crazy. Which means they're getting between 50 and 100 million if they're paying out that much, if it's only 5 to 10%. That is crazy. That is an amazing program. Yeah, like if you get 5 new customers per month, this is how much consistent income you'll generate for that recurring revenue. Assuming they stay out, they stay on, of course, obviously. Who's it for? Lifetime monthly payments. Recommend hosting. Build a stable. I've never even used these. Rolando, have you used these guys for hosting any WordPress sites? I've heard good things about them, but I've never actually used them. Lifetime monthly payments, high conversions, long conversion window. No, never. You haven't? Okay. Well, if you ever do and you get good with them, they have a really good affiliate program. This is a nice website too, actually. I really like it. Nice and clean, simple. Kind of my style, obviously. View the FAQ. I need to be client. Okay. Not terribly helpful. We can say each referral out for commission with a generous 60-day tracking. Oh, I need to put 60-day tracking. From when your links are clicked. Each referral is eligible for commission with a generous 60-day tracking period. Tracking day period. From when your links are clicked. I'll say within a generous 60-day tracking period. Okay. Man. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say. Do we talk about the program? Because I don't even know what the program is, or like what it's gonna be, except that, you know, we just want to be kind of generous in our payouts, right? Maybe we'll just put that in there. You refer to pixel pieces. We'll just keep it simple for now. Okay, and let's change these icons, I guess. And do I have Figma open? I'm just gonna find some decent icons. So 50% commission. Maybe we can get like a money bag. There's got to be something for money. E-commerce. There's no bag of money. I guess this would be a bag of money. 50% commission on each sale. Or maybe like a shopping cart would be better. Or maybe like this coupon sign. Or this nice percentage. Yeah, maybe we'll try that. Outline badge percentage. Let's go find that. Assets. Actually, I know it's, I could just do it this way. And it was an e-commerce outline badge percent, right? No, shit, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, open with Visual Studio, please. Okay. So we just need to update these fill colors here with current color and copy. Bring that into here. Save. All right, 60-day tracking. What would be a good icon for tracking? Shipping and delivery. Maybe something like this. Or sixty day tracking. Maybe it could be a clock. We have a clock. I don't see any kind of clock here. User, editor, communications, no. What's the last one? We need an icon for, oh yeah, monthly payouts. Let's do that one. That one's easy. Let's get a like a money bag. This one with a money sign. Money bag dollar. Finance and payments. Okay. Finance and payment. Money bag dollar. Fill current color. Grab that. Oh, something happened there. There we go. And yeah, 60-day tracking. I have one good icon for that. Maybe just this. Like a pin or something like that. Maybe like this flag. This is kind of like a golf thing, but that might work. Yeah. So outline flag. So navigation maps, outline flag. I think it's this one. Again, current color, copy, and okay, so this is our affiliate page. Let's go back here. This has got a link to affiliate. And this button also goes, yeah, goes there. And this button, start earning today, pixel, get rewardful.com. All right, let's publish this. Question, curious, why do you do none for color fill rather than controlling with the class so that you can make changes to all at once if you wanted to? So I do, but I think the thing is the way that this one is that it puts the fill, like the way that the SVGs are, if there's multiple paths, sometimes that fill doesn't work and it just works on here. So like here, if I still do a specific class, well, it is black now, but you know, if I wanted to, oh, that's a bad class name, but if I wanted to change this one, it's still gonna, like, it's still gonna work, right? So it's just on whether it's on the actual path of whatever the SVG is or on the whole thing. Because I just noticed that sometimes I would just have issues where if the fill color was on the different elements within the SVG, it would just, it either would work or it wouldn't work. So, but yeah, so it still works. It's still what we need it to be. In fact, that class right there, I can probably even just get rid of this. Ooh, actually, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I can even get rid of it on this one specifically. I think it depends too. Like if the SVG has broken lines and it has multiple different things where it's not just one continuous fill, then it has different paths. And then the SVG, if you fill the SVG, it might not recognize that whole path and might fill up the whole like block of like whatever. Like if I put this one here, like if I go this fill here and I put this as current color, I think it's going to turn the whole money bag black. Yeah. So it's not going to, it's just going to fill the whole SVG, which is kind of weird. So I don't know. I don't know much about SVGs and how they work and all that stuff. Just got to play around till things kind of work. Yeah. Okay. So here's our referral program. Is this going to work? It should actually work here. Yeah. And if we hit start earning today, there we go. So our affiliate program is up and running. So that's kind of cool. Join Pixel Pieces and receive a 50% commission on the first payment for paying customers who refer to Pixel Pieces. I like it. So, yeah, so if you guys are still around, Kevin or Rolando, if you, like, again, obviously, you don't have to do this by any stretch of the imagination. But even just by signing up and seeing kind of how the process goes, if it seems like it's pretty smooth, or if it's, if it looks like it's going to be good, by all means, please do let me know. Love to get that feedback. And yeah, I guess, can you even refer yourself? I guess you could, couldn't you? Like if you wanted to, join Pixel and you're like, I want a discount, and I'm just going to sign up for the affiliate link, and then there you go. Anyways, I'm not going to worry about that. So that goes to this page. Components. I wonder if we should templates. Pricing. This is still going to work, right? All access. Proceed to pay $249. Yeah, so that's still working. Get access, right? Join for lifetime. Okay. We still look good. I wonder if we should put something on Pixel down here for affiliate. I think we still need to do maybe a little bit of work in terms of, actually, I don't know how that's going to work with Pixel versus Pixel Pieces. Because my whole idea, again, was to bring Pixel Pieces at some point into pixel.ca / like pieces or whatever, or components. But I wonder how that's going to play around with like Rewardful and how that's going to work. And also with MemberStack. I guess if it's just a reverse proxy, it's a little bit different, right? Because it just takes that and just spits it out at that URL. So I would imagine it would still work. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to figure that out if that's something that I want to do. Okay. Well, I mean, that's good. Okay, I just signed up. Yeah, I just noticed that. I just refreshed. Thank you so much. That's awesome. You are officially the first Pixel Pieces affiliate person. Gives me the link after I put in my PayPal address. Oh, so you have to put in your PayPal address first before you can actually get the referral link? And what is your like referral link? Like question mark? Is it just like question mark like Kevin or something like that? Or can you... Yeah, like can you change it and update it? Sorry, I'm trying to... No, I don't want to go here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I can do. It says edit the campaign. Yeah, this is just the... Not the portal. Affiliate links. It's just the via token. I guess you just get some kind of like whatever your user thing is or whatever. All right, we'll cancel that. All right. Okay, what else do we need to do? I guess that's it. I mean, yeah, I think so. I think what I'm going to be looking to do here over the next couple weeks, especially starting next week, is I really want to, actually, if I can go back to, I need this to go on, open on hover. I really want to increase the number of components that we have here on Pixel Pieces. Because I think 100 is just way too low, especially considering what everyone else has, different competitors or what have you. Again, not that I want to create crappy components, but I just want to always making sure that we're moving forward here in the product, and that I feel like, I don't know exactly what my time split is going to be, but I'm almost thinking 50% on developing the application and the product, and 50% with the promotion, with the marketing and everything. And maybe it might be 60-40 40 or a 70-30 split. I'm not sure exactly what that split should be. So we need to figure that out. So when are you going to start creating content to attract an audience? If no one knows you, no one is going to buy from you. Yeah, no, 100%. So I will say that I already have been creating content. I'm writing a whole bunch of different stuff. And the one thing that I need to get done is just to figure out exactly where I'm going to film all the stuff. So I'm creating the stuff behind. I'm just not doing it there on the live stream just because it's kind of boring because I just sit down and write and it takes me like forever to write stuff. So I want to start releasing that type of content definitely before July. So within the next week or two, I want to start because I want to have a good, dozen videos or so kind of in the bank. So I can have stuff that I can release on a consistent schedule throughout the summer until I kind of figure out what my cadence is going to be and all that kind of stuff. So I've already started that, and yeah, it's got to come out here soon because the sooner I can start getting my content, and you're 100% right, that's how I'm going to get known and people are going to know who I am and all that kind of stuff. So, outside of people who found me through this live stream. So that's coming. The only question that I have about the videos that I'm going to be making is, should I be creating this on a new YouTube channel? And initially, I'm thinking yes, and I'm leaning towards yes, because the content for Pixel is going to be, it's that educational material all about how to design websites. And this, I feel like this is almost more like my personal channel where, I know I'm just kind of talking about how I'm building a business, but if I ever want to talk about other things that I want to do, I can transition to that at some point, but having a YouTube channel that's dedicated, that's just for Pixel, it's a corporate channel, kind of keep it there. But I don't know, but maybe I can turn this channel into the corporate channel and then I can have I don't know. I'm not sure exactly where, but that's just kind of little, logistical things that I'm thinking, but has nothing to do with actually creating the content and starting to putting it out there. So, and I don't know if there's anything to be said about having a new channel, which will be new to the YouTube algorithm, and that they can start pumping that content out to the same types of audience, especially if the content is going to be similar. So anyways, another thing to think about and that I'm working on. Okay. Is there anything else that I need to do for the affiliates? Kevin, thanks so much for just going in there and checking it out. I appreciate that. So that's really, really cool. If there's ever anything that you would want to see in there or have me do for this affiliate or whatever, or if it's like, hey, well, I think Pixel needs to have more components or whatever the feedback is, just let me know, because I'll do whatever I can to make it something that would actually, that you would actually really want to, vouch for and to promote to people that and especially if it's, $125 per whatever. I mean, that's a decent chunk of money as well too. So good little, I'm hopeful anyways that it'll be enough of a value that people will be like, yeah, I'll would like to take this thing seriously because that's a pretty good commission structure. So anyways, yeah. So I think that's about it. So Rolando, do you have any interest in actually seeing me create content, or are you just like, yeah, you know what, I just like to watch the content kind of once it's like, when I create the YouTube videos, just kind of have those posted? Or is it like, would you actually want to see the process of, even if it's just like the editing the videos or the filming of them? I mean, I think the writing the scripts is a little bit kind of boring, but any part of the creative process, if you want me to see or that you'd want to see, just let me know. That I'm just kind of doing them kind of behind the scenes because I feel like just writing scripts is kind of a little bit dry. I have a question. How do you justify the payment of the commission in taxes? Do you mean in terms of how much taxes the person who's getting the commission is going to have to pay, or what the payment is going to be outside of taxes? It's a good question if I think I'm understanding it correctly. But in terms of collecting taxes, I think for me, I only have to collect taxes for people that are in Canada, or even, yeah, I think just in Canada. Maybe I think I still need to charge people if they're outside of like Nova Scotia or outside of my province. So like if you purchased Pixel Pieces now, and well, I guess, I mean, you wouldn't really know unless, like if you go in here and you go to pay and you, whatever, let me just, plus testing payment. So if I go here, please, okay, oops. So I think whether the taxes come due, it says $249. I think once I actually put in, like if I put in my postal code, oh, then it's not collecting taxes? Maybe I'm not collecting taxes at all then. Yeah, maybe I just don't pay taxes at all. Or I'm not collecting taxes. Well, that's strange. I thought it figured it out automatically when you're going through the checkout process with Stripe. I would have to take a look at that to see exactly what's going on. But yeah, so in that case, then, yeah, how do you just? I'm not exactly sure what do you mean like by justify, but I guess for me, I just want to pay out as much commissions as I possibly can in order to make it beneficial for the person who's going to go out and promote for me, and try to get people to sign up for Pixel Pieces. So no, I have my software that helps me do it simply. Apple Advantages. That helps you do in terms of figuring out stuff about taxes. But an advantage to Apple in terms of Apple having that specific software. Yeah, I will say Apple does have some pretty nice software applications. I was referring to whether you process them as a promotional expense or in what concept. Oh, I see. Oh, right. I don't know. So I would imagine for me, okay, so I think I see. So I collect $250 from a customer, but then I have to pay out $125 in commission. And you're going to say, like, what is that going to come from me in terms of my taxes? I would imagine that money is going to go out, and I'm going to record that as an expense for like marketing and advertising. So I'll receive $250 in income, but then I'm going to expense $125 for advertising. So then my tax bill, but I won't have to pay tax on that $125 that comes in, right? So it'll lower my tax burden by quite a bit, I would imagine. So yeah, that's the one good thing about Canada and Canada's corporate tax system is every dollar that you spend on whatever it is in your business, that goes completely against what your actual income that you have to pay taxes on. So if I generated $100,000 in revenue, but I had literally $100,000 in expenses, my taxable income as a corporation would be zero. So, which is really, really nice. Yeah, think about it this way. If you pay out the full amount to the affiliate program, you won't get taxed on any of it. Yeah, because you're not making any money. Exactly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that would work exactly in an American corporation as well too. That's why a lot of people too that own companies, when it comes close to the end of their fiscal year, they're like, oh shoot, I have all this extra money. What can I do with it? Because I don't want to pay taxes, or I want to pay less taxes. So they'll go off and buy like a new company car or whatever the case may be, just because they don't want to pay as much taxes. Whether it's worth it or not is something that I think you need to make that own decision for your own company, because just because you spend like $100,000 on a new car doesn't mean like just that's to avoid paying like 15% on that 100,000. So it's like, is it worth it or not? But But yeah, it's interesting. And it's very interesting in Canada too, because now they just put forth that motion to change the capital gains tax. I think it's also on corporations as well too. Anything over, like if you sell, what is it? If you have any kind of capital gains tax, and as long as it's not your primary residence, anything over, it's either over the 250,000 or the 500,000 mark is going to be taxed at 66%, which is like insane. It's like completely insane. I think you need to talk to your accountant because you don't have a tax number yet. So how are you going to get the promotion invoice? Amazon asks for them month by month. The promotion invoice. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, is it good to talk to an accountant? Yeah, for sure. I probably should talk to my accountant. But the way that I'm understanding it is when I'm in Rewardful, like if I just go into here. So like when I'm right here, it's going to show what my gross revenue is. Okay, so all the affiliates ended up making, people that signed up $10,000 US. But I paid $5,000 US in commission, so my net revenue is going to be $5,000. So I would just print this off or whatever and give this to the accountant and say, hey, this is how much I paid in commission, and that is an expense that I incur as a business. So that's all I need, because this is going to, I assume that this is going to track every single new user that signs up through someone's affiliate link, because that's kind of the I guess the whole point of it. So I think I'm understanding that correctly. So that's just my interpretation of things. So, but if I find out anything too, like my taxes are going to be due in September. So at the end of the summer, I will be doing taxes again for my second one. So we can definitely talk more about taxes if it's something that you're interested in. So for Amazon, so for Amazon to pay me my commissions, it asks me for an invoice, and after 60 days, it pays me commissions. And I understand that. So what are you saying? Like Amazon is asking you for an invoice? Like an invoice of what? Like you're an Amazon affiliate, which means you're promoting their products. And when someone clicks on that link, you get a commission, like 8% or whatever that is. They should just pay you. Like, I don't understand why you have to send them anything. Because you're not the one who's buying anything. Other people are buying stuff, right? Like if I go on your website and I click your affiliate link and I buy myself a $1,000 camera off Amazon, you get 8%. So you get $80 commission. Why are you providing them an invoice? Marketing services is the concept. Like if you're, I don't know. I really don't know. Because I haven't heard of that before. And like if you're using, is that almost as if somebody who is an affiliate marketer and like that's kind of all that they do, and like their business is just selling and promoting other people's affiliate products? Maybe there's something different with that. And I know some affiliates could have problems with people operating like that. But yeah, I don't know if that's the case. I don't know what the tax implications are here in Canada for something like that. Yeah, I'm not sure. But anyways, we'll see. Like, I'm not like, to be like 100% honest, I'm not worried about any like tax implications at this point, at this stage. Maybe I should, I don't know. But maybe I'll just have my ignorance just carry me through. Because again, the way I see, like, having affiliates, and if people help promote Pixel Pieces and I get new customers through that, I mean, that's just a win. It's really, for me, all I care about right now is getting people in the door. That's kind of my big thing. Yes, because you have to justify your income to the treasury with invoices issues. Like I guess I'm not I guess I'm not understanding what invoices as an affiliate marketer that you're sending out. Because for me as an affiliate or as a person who's running an affiliate program, like if you join my affiliate program and you start referring a bunch of people and you make, whatever, $10,000, like I'm not going to be sending you an invoice for anything. You're not going to be sending anybody an invoice. So, but you have to send an invoice out to the government? Or maybe maybe we're using the word invoice in a different way. Yeah, I don't know. But I will do. Remind me again in September when I do my taxes to see if there's any issues. But also if I actually get affiliates that are coming in as well too. Okay, I think I'm saying what you're saying here. It's like when you do a job for a client, you make them an invoice so that they can deduct the expenses and you justify it with your secretary. So you're saying like a marketing, like you're hiring or somebody hires an actual marketing company to do affiliate marketing for them. Right. So that's completely different. I see that. You're actually providing a service to do the affiliate marketing, whether it's the promotion or setting up the affiliates, whatever the case may be. Right. Yeah. So I don't think I'm pretty sure that's not relevant to me because that's not what I'm doing. I'm not paying out anybody to run any affiliate program for me or anything like that at all. So, right. But yeah, for sure. But that's in the whole client relation interaction. Secretary of the Treasury is like equivalent to the IRS in the U.S., which is equivalent to Revenue Canada here in Canada, right? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for like a marketing agency. Yeah, but I haven't heard of any agencies that provide a service for affiliate marketing. Yeah, I haven't heard of anything like that. But then again, I've never really bothered to pay attention to any of that kind of stuff because it's not something that I've ever been interested in. Okay, so, right, next week. I'm not sure what we're going to do next week. I know what I need to do is set up a studio. I don't know if you guys are interested in me like figuring out how I'm going to design the studio because I know I'm probably going to have to get some other equipment, whether some lights or some new stands for cameras or new lenses, or I don't know what I'm going to need, but I need to set up my whole studio because I want this place. It needs to have like 3 specific functions. Number 1, I need to be able to do my live stream. Number 2, I want to be able to have a podcast studio where I can have guests in here to film a podcast. And then the third function would be to have a space where I can record talking head videos where I'm going to be having all my how-to instructional videos and all that kind of stuff on Pixel. So I need to do that as well. And I want that to be, it's probably going to be different than what I do here for my live stream just because this setup is not the best for doing those types of videos, just from my experience. And maybe a fourth function, I need to be able to just have a place where I can work. And it's really small. Yeah, this is the problem that I have is from here to there, it's like, I don't know. I think this is like what is this? This is 6 feet. It's like 8 by, maybe I got 14 feet to the back wall, 8 by 12, 8 by 14. So it's pretty small. I don't have very much space. No, I did feet. So yeah, 8 feet or 8.5. I think I have like 120 inches this way, and then whatever that way. So no meters. The only reason I know in the feet and inches is because, well, number one, that's what my tape measure has. Also, because you can't get away from it here for measuring here in Canada. And then in the floor plan, everything in Canada is like it's feet and inches for floor plans. So yeah, for measurements. So you can do an experiment. Collect the commissions they owe you. See if they ask for an invoice. So collect the commissions they owe you. Right. So nobody is going to owe me anything. It's I have to pay out to them, right? So because what it's going to be when a user is going to sign up. Sorry. Learn the conversions. Most of the world uses decimal metric system. Yeah, no, that's true. But if it's one thing I remember, you don't ask Americans to not use whatever their stupid system is called. The imperial system. This is not going to work. Right. No, so in this one, no. So in this one, it's I owe commissions to you, right? So people are going to sign up. Well, I'm hoping, right? People will sign up, blah, blah, blah. No, it's not here. I need to go here, refresh. Yeah. So people, like you can come here, you sign up, and then when you sign up and you have a referral link, so every time someone clicks on that link, say you promote it to your audience, they click on that link and then that person buys, they go through the regular payment process and I get paid directly from there. That money, that $250 comes to my bank straight away. And then it goes into this commission here that I'm going to have to pay you. So every month, I'm going to pay out the commissions that you've earned directly to you. You don't have to send me an invoice. I'm not sending you an invoice. Everything is going to be monitored through this thing, and the commissions happen automatically. So, right. So I think what you're talking about is, where is it? Do I still have it up here? So this commission right here, right? So, so there's this commission that owes me, well, they're supposed to owe me money. I don't know exactly when. But this is 50% commission for Webflow, right? So 4 people clicked on my links. 1 person made a payment, and then I have to wait for it. I'm assuming it's going to go from this revenue. It's going to go to pending commissions for how much commission Webflow is going to pay me for having this customer purchase this plan. And then they're going to pay me. So yeah, I mean, yeah. But there was a show that you showed last week that owed you commission, $56 a program. I don't know any other affiliate program that owes me any money other than Webflow. I don't think there's anyone else that owes me anything. I don't think so. But maybe there is. What owes me money? Who owes me money? I don't know. I don't think anyone owes me any money. Now I'm kind of thinking if anyone does owe me anything. I don't know. Right. Anyways, yeah. All I know is we're going to keep working hard, and this affiliate program is going to be a massive success. And I'm really hopeful it's going to be like a win-win for everyone that's a part of it. So, I mean, I think that's what the whole point of an affiliate program is so that people do get win-wins, so that people can make some money, I can make some money, And then, of course, at the end of the day, I can provide value to people by helping them build awesome websites at the end of the day. Okay. Anyways, right. So this weekend, I'm going to think a little bit about how I can set up this office and what I can do to design it. I'm not an interior designer or anything like that, so which is why my sets don't look that stylish at all. You're so rich that you even forget who owes you money. I'm not. No, I'm like in terms in Canada, I'm definitely not rich. I guess it depends on people's definitions of what's rich. But yeah, there's a lot of things I need to do to build up my net worth because I have a very small net worth. So yeah, I'm not rich. I think I'm making decent money because of what I'm doing, but I'm definitely not rich. I'm certainly not wealthy, not at this stage of the game. Yeah, okay. It was sarcasm. Okay, good. Thanks. We will be rich. We're all going to be super wealthy because we're going to make, $1 million a year, right? At a minimum. And then we'll go from there. So, right. Sorry. Sometimes for me, you got to go /sarcasm just so that I can kind of understand what's going on. But it's tough though. I guess it's, just when you're reading the text. But anyways, it's all good. Kevin, news tagline, build awesome websites. I think I had that at one version of Pixel, but I think I actually had it like make really good like effing websites. And I think I had that on the actual tagline. But I wonder, yeah, at the end of the day, that's what it is. I mean, you do want awesome websites. Hang on. I'm just making a note. Right. I forget who owes me money. There's probably people that do actually owe me money, I'm sure, for some things, but so much life kind of gets in the way. It's like, meh. Actually, I do have this one thing too. If you've seen, we have to zoom in between the three of us so we can have fun with some beers, virtual drunkenness. Yeah, just do something fun, just have some good times. Yeah, there's a few things I've been thinking about that in terms of how to do some type of, collaboration and get together for people that want to talk business and people that are trying to, start their business and people that are on kind of the same level. Actually, it could be people on a whole bunch of different levels in terms of what their journey is like on the entrepreneurship level. And yeah, creating like those types of communities where you can get together on Zoom calls, but also have just different ways to have different kinds of connections. There's actually one software, this is getting me down a little bit of a rabbit hole here. Hang on a second. This is actually pretty interesting. Let me see if I can, it's called AirMeet. I think this is what this is called. Yeah, so there's this software. I haven't had time to look into this, but I heard about this where, if you're running, I don't know, if you're running different webinars or whatever it is, but people can kind of break out and go into their own rooms and have their own discussions and their own whatever. It's kind of a neat concept. It's different than a Zoom. But yeah, it just allows like your group of people, whatever, to get together and just have discussions. It sounds like a really good thing. I've been meaning to look into this and figure out exactly how I could potentially use this. But I think that's a little bit further down the line in terms of growing the community and growing Pixel and growing, the amount of people that are showing up on this live stream and that are interested in learning from each other about entrepreneurship and starting businesses. And there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of really cool stuff out there. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, having a virtual beer, virtual tequila, or virtual maple syrup. A lot of podcasts about that, but almost none of them about the mistakes and the stupid ideas that didn't work. We should do one about that. So yeah, instead of like what are the my first million guys or path to success, it's like path to failures. Yeah, it's always interesting learning about people's actual failures because there's always lessons in that as well too. But I mean, obviously you don't want to fail like so many times that you just like run out of lives, or run out of money. But I think along the way, if you're failing but you're still learning skills, and skills being stackable, you'll never really lose because skills are one of those things that you can always take with you to your next venture or your next idea. So, and a lot of people talk about people that are successful. They're like, you've heard of some of their failures where they're like, I lost all my money or whatever. And they're like, it doesn't really matter because I have the skills, and they just go about and start like a whole new company, completely different field, use the skills that they've learned, and then they build themselves right back up again, which is awesome to hear. Let's call it trying in North America, or the nice try in North America, or something like that. The nice try podcast. Yeah, it's definitely interesting. It's almost as if it would almost be cool to have a podcast where you're listening to guests talk about, their great failures or the failures that they've had, but then what they've learned from that. So you can really know what it's like to make that mistake or to envision what that mistake would be like. So you can actually learn the lessons of that mistake without having to make that mistake yourself. Something like that would be kind of cool. Yeah. There's lots of ideas. Anyways, we'll see what happens when we get this podcast off the ground at some point. And I was talking again with my wife, Andrea, yesterday about podcasting. I was like, should I start it now? Should I start it later? It's a big time commitment. You got to get all the people and the scheduling and the research. But again, going back to that, it's actually just a really good idea. It's not as many people are doing podcasts as people are doing, blogs or whatever the case may be. So I still think there's a lot of room in the whole podcast space to grow. A podcast that allows you to learn about the difficulties of doing business as solo entrepreneurs in different countries would be great. That's even getting kind of crazy in terms of thinking about different countries, let alone even just thinking about one specific country. But I imagine what I guess for me too would be mostly talking, at least obviously initially, I want people to come in the studio. So it'd be like, hey, what's it like doing business in Nova Scotia, or even a little bit more broadly in Canada? And then you could expand on, hey, well, what about North America, or even what about Canada, US? And then what about then what about North America? So then you can include Mexico in there. And then you get bigger to a point, then it's like, okay, now we can talk to people from all over the world and like, hey, what's your experience? And then you have different, I guess you can almost have different episodes that feature like a different part of the world or whatever. It'd be like, hey, now we're going to concentrate in Asia, and then we're going to concentrate in the Americas or North or South America, and then here's Africa, and here's there's like so many different things that different directions you can go, which is that's why I love like business and entrepreneurship and whatever. There's so many different things you can do, and it's just really trying to figure out what your skills are, what the market is like, where you can get money. Can you understand the facets of money and understand how to use money to be able to make more money, and just understand the game of how money is? Because at the end of the day, money is just a game. It's almost like money is just like a scoreboard of how well you know how to play the game. And of course, money is just really, it's just a tool for you to be able to do other things. Like for me, even this whole idea of, I want to make, $1 million. It's not even about, I just want to have $1 million. It's just about what flexibility I know that having that amount of money can bring me, and what it can provide, and the things that I can use that money to do for me and for other people. And that's kind of what it's all about. It's just really, really cool. Think big. You start small, or start with Zoom, and then you can move on to visit each country. Yeah, I mean, I could just imagine just traveling the world, and setting up, different interviews or whatever, and little pop-up podcasts all over the world, and just exploring different countries, living in different places, and getting that experience, getting that knowledge, and even bringing the family over to exploring just the world and just meeting with new people from everywhere. I mean, that would be a phenomenal job. I mean, I'd probably, get a little bit homesick in the not having like a permanent home if there was traveling for a bit. But I mean, to do that for like 2-3 years, that would just be amazing. I would love to do something like that. And you don't even need that much money to be able to do something like that either, I don't think. Well, I mean, it depends, I guess, on the quality of life that you want to have when you're traveling to other places and what kind of place you're going to be staying in. So you can do it with a few $1,000s, or you can do it with like $20,000, $30,000 like per month, So yeah, it all kind of depends. Anyways, one day at a time, one step at a time. So this weekend, just going to be thinking about the podcast and how to set this up and how to get my whole studio kind of ready to go so that I could make the creative process as easy as possible it is for me to actually do. So every day I can just sit down, press record, and record my videos, get a nice comfortable place to edit, and just really kind of get into the flow. You can't really see it here, but my office is pretty, it's not very conducive to doing a lot of creative stuff right now, which is kind of annoying, but it's something that I need to do, something I need to work on. Here's a channel where they pay guests to get drunk and talk nonsense. We could imitate that. It's a broadcast on YouTube. It's almost like the Joe Rogan podcast. I mean, they just get together. That's one of the things I love about Rogan's podcast is that he just has people on and they just they just talk. They just like shoot the shit, and it's like real conversations with people. And whether you agree with it or not, I mean, there's some people that he has on there that are just like, this is the most insane thing I've ever heard. But it's just fascinating to just hear other people's opinions and other people's talk, and just how they, just what their ideas are and everything. It's just fantastic. So it's from a comedian, Franco Escamilla. Let me type that in. What's going on here?
Los dos, y fíjate, yo pensé que iba a ser más fácil con el psicólogo, porque los dos somos hombres, dije, pues podemos hacer una plática de compas, pero fue complicado.
So, yeah, 13.5 million subscribers. It's funny too, because, when you're just here in, North America, or just, I mean, when you're in different parts of the world, sometimes you don't realize that in other languages that you don't speak, like how many people you've never heard of have like these fantastically huge, like followers, right? Yeah. So like how many views? So this guy here, so he's a comedian. Yeah. So he has, is it a podcast here? So which one would you say, he's got like 40 episodes, 350? Is this?
Dale Salma, novia de Borre.
Chef Salma.
Salma de Borre.
Oye, mañana Salma.
Me voy, se pasaron. Nada, te creas, Salma.
Well,
Es otra Salma, Salma Hayek.
There's like a live stream as well too. Anyways, I'll have a look too. Yeah, because I mean, there's some people that do some really funny stuff. The thing too is the kind of figuring out who's your audience. At the end of the day, who do you want to appeal to? What are the kinds of things that you want to say? What's your brand like? And yeah, what kind of value do you want to provide to people? And then having that can help you kind of figure out what kind of videos and stuff you'd want to make. Because yeah, sitting down with people and just interviewing people and just talking to them and having a beer or whatever is totally amazing. But also I have to think of like, well, how does that serve Pixel in that capacity? And maybe it doesn't. Maybe that's what you think about doing something a little bit different as well, kind of on the side. And then that's more of a personal branding kind of thing where you're growing yourself as an individual brand, but then you're doing other things outside of that too. So lots of things to think about. But anyways, thanks for sending over that link. I just need to I just need to work on my Spanish. That's all. So I can understand what what he's saying. Franco is considered the greatest content creator in Latin America. One of his videos reached 10 million views in 2 days. Yeah, that is a lot of views in 2 days. That is crazy. What do you think makes him so popular? I mean, other than the fact that I would imagine he's funny, and he's like a good entertainer. And like, what kind of category would you say he fits into? I guess, I mean, if he's a comedian, he's just like an entertainer. So I guess his videos are kind of hit the bucket of entertaining people, which is totally amazing, by the way. Not knocking that at all. If I could be an entertainer, I could be funny. That would be really cool. And you could talk about all kinds of different things. Does he do anything in English at all, or is everything in Spanish? Started uploading his comedy routines to get a job. Right now, it's he's like the Latin American Chapo. That's amazing. I love hearing stories like that. And those are the things that I love about almost like the old school YouTube and like the OG people that came out of YouTube, where they're like, you know what? I don't have a job or whatever. I'm just going to kind of put myself out there, be like authentic and be real and just try to get things going. And then people like recognize, you know, the talent or whatever it is, in this case, in terms of being able to make people laugh or whatever it is. And then they go ahead and they build something for themselves, you know, learn the game, understand how to play the game and understand how things work, and then just make that work for you. I love hearing stories like that. And that's just like inspiring to go out there and, put yourself out there and do the things that, you know, make you uncomfortable, and who knows what's going to happen. Right. Yeah. He has some videos in English with, Fufito. Don't know that. A comedian from California. I'll give you the links. All right. Can you send those links over, in, email? If you don't mind, email probably be the best way. Because someone signed up for Pixel Pieces while we're on the live stream. That's cool. Yeah, because what do we need to do? Hang on. Oh, that was probably me doing my testing. Now that I think about it, I got to go in and delete that. Let's see, member stack. All right, I'm just going in to delete my new member here. Right, you're gone. Enter number of members. That's 1. Confirm delete. Excellent. Yeah, send it to me during the day. Perfect. Yeah, thanks. No, I appreciate that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, it has been a couple hours now, so I think I'm going to sign off. I got to start making some pizza, start rolling some dough. So, Rolando, Kevin, thank you so much. Super appreciate you guys being here. Kevin, thank you so much for helping out, signing up and just kind of testing out the process. Appreciate that. Rolando, as always, again, the ideas and everything, very, very, very helpful. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. And of course, everyone else that kind of popped in your head while we were live streaming, thank you as well to each and every one of you. Much appreciate the support. And that's going to be it for me for today. Have yourself a fantastic weekend. Enjoy the weather if it's nice. Hopefully it's nice out. Not too nice. not too hot. Yeah, I'll drink just a few shots of maple. That's about it. No more than that, of course. Yeah, have a great weekend, guys. And as always, I'll be back here with a new live stream on Monday. So until then, have a good one. We'll see you then.